with Kelly. Okay, look, I know what a lot of you are thinking right now. There's something new in this picture. It's my glasses. I know. A lot of people don't even know that I wear glasses, but yes, I do wear glasses. In fact, I'm completely blind as bat without them. Like, missing the obvious thing sometimes. Like, can't even see 2 feet in front of me or behind me. So for tonight's dish, I'm going to be doing an old Hodges family favorite. It is the world famous turkey pasta dish. Ever heard of it? No, probably not, because I don't really know what the actual name of this dish is. I've only known it as the turkey pasta dish or the curly noodle pasta dish. I don't know. Mom, feel free to chime in on this one. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's one of my favorite recipes. It makes a lot. It is very easy to make, and even Indy is excited for it too, aren't you?
Yes, you are. Oh, hello. Did you like your little peanut butter cup in there? Yeah.
Let's get started. Let's not do this again. This is dumb. Alright. First thing you want is ground turkey. Not ground beef, ground turkey. I know it sounds weird, just trust me. Funny story. So while planning ahead for this dish for tonight, I went to Kroger, just like everybody else. Fought the crowds because, you know, coronavirus, and went by the meat department and it was completely wiped out. Absolutely no meat whatsoever, except ground turkey, because nobody thinks about cooking with ground turkey. So, for starters, since it's going to take the longest, go ahead and start, or actually, no, this isn't what's going to take the longest. What's going to take the longest is the pasta to boil. I know this because I made this mistake the last time I did some sort of dish. So I made everything else and forgot to start the pasta. Okay. Honey, you're gonna have to scooch, I'm sorry. He does this all the time. He stands right here in front of the stove every time I'm cooking. My favorite part, touching raw meat. By the way, everybody, here's a tutorial on how to wash your hands, since we don't get enough of those these days. Boom! Once again, I was talking too long, the water is boiling, but there's no pasta in it. I'm awesome at this. So that is going, the pasta is going. Save that for the sauce. You want to know the other thing that I stocked up on for this whole crisis? Lots of alcohol. So now that the turkey is about done, I'm going to add a little bit of this questionable looking onion. I'm sure it's fine. Hi, honey. Excuse me. Brussels sprouts is like my favorite side dish for just about everything. Oh wow, that was a lot. Too much, my pot's over boiling. Dump these in there. And you want to get them all mixed up. And you want to do a little salt, a little pepper. As you can hear, I have a very well organized spice cabinet. And here is where the family recipe and my recipe differ. There's actually 2 family recipes. There is the full-fledged recipe, which is making your own pasta sauce, which is like tomato paste, all these herbs and spices and yada yada yada, and it's a homemade, very delicious tomato sauce. And then off to the side in my mom's handwriting, it is a big X, and I'm pretty sure it just says 1 can of 4 cheese Prego. So that's how we do it too. But can you help me with this? He's wagging his tail. I wish you guys could see it.
You want to get those for me? Can you get that?
I got it open. Of course, I gave up, turned off the camera and everything, and then as soon as I did that, it opened. It must have just been shy for the camera. Add some Parmesan. Even though it's 4 cheese, there's already cheese in there. We're just gonna add more cheese. The last thing that we're gonna do for the Brussels sprouts is add a touch of balsamic. Then you just top it like so. And then this is the last part, which is going to seem a little bit odd, but we are going to top this with some freshly steamed peas. Oh yes, and the last part, this dish is going to pair very nicely with a white wine. So, thank you again for watching Cooking with Kelly. Until next time. What are you doing?